Hi, this is Chris Legaspi. This video is a preview of a demonstration from one of my recent figure drawing online classes. And the topic of this demonstration is how to start a figure drawing with the head. All right, we're going to do this 5-minute pose. You can draw along with me as well. I'm going to set the timer in 3, 2, 1, go. All right. So let's take a minute here. Right away, besides the head, the most beautiful thing in this pose is this beautiful long gesture. Look at that. I mean, I could literally do this. That is one way to start. You can just say the gesture is king, which it is, but let's do a more what do you call that? More drawing with intention. So here the nice sailboat shape combined with the sphere of the head creates a nice shorthand. Wonderful. A lot of times when I do a pose like this with a beautiful gesture, I just go like this. When I have a pose with a beautiful gesture like this, I just do a quick little head indication just like that. And then once I have an idea where center line is and shoulder point is, then I just go boom, right there. And that's really how I start a lot of my dynamic drawings with dynamic and obvious gesture. Then I can just build on that. Remember the thrust, the action line is also a gesture line, which is also a contour. It's also the fundamental design line, is what Steve Huston calls it. It's the line that the whole drawing is kind of built on. And it's clearly more about the figure here, right? Very obvious. Because I just don't see enough of the head to really care. you know, I mean, I don't want to say that. It's very important to get the head and to make sure it looks right. But in this pose, because the thing that grabbed my attention was the gesture and the beautiful figure, the beautiful lighting. So I'm gonna put way more attention on the figure. In 5 minutes, if that's the most head I get done, then I'm okay with that. Because right now the head is doing exactly what I need it to do. Communicate position, communicate how much of the face I see, communicate the head type. So it's doing all that work for me. Actually, now I'm going to refine it now. I don't know how much time I get. I might be running out of time again. So you notice that I added that secondary plane. It just really took it up a notch. Underplane of the jawline, took it up a notch. in clarity. And then the hairline clearly communicates we have a long-haired model, and she's turning to her right, our left. So you see just a few little notches um, is all we need to get to read. Obviously, you have to you have to know what you're doing and know what to look for to make these notches. Know the landmarks. Know the landmarks, the anchor points. Okay, we got a little bit of time. I'm gonna do one more 5 minutes and I'm gonna do a back view. Okay, this video was just a small preview of a recent figure drawing class. If you want the most in-depth training, join me for my next figure drawing online class. Each class meets every week. You'll have over 2 hours of lecture, weekly homework assignments, and feedback and critiques. So you'll get to work with me personally so I can help you and guide you to reach your full potential and achieve your creative and professional goals. So to get first access and coupon codes, visit my website at www.drawwithchris.com or click the URL in the description below. And I hope to see you in the next figure drawing online class.